put in lots and lots of drain tile. And what we do is we go around and we collect PVC pipe. And when we need pipe, we need a lot of PVC pipe. And we take the PVC pipe, like a 4-inch piece right here, and we cut it down the middle to make our own connectors. And in this video, you'll see how we reuse PVC for making connectors to put our pipe together. We use 2 parts that are cut down just as you saw, and we slip one on top of the other, and we put the pipe together with it. Takes a little doing, but it's fairly easy to do. And it'll slip right in.
Oh, hold it just a second. Give me a second. All right. All right, do it again.
Bingo. And then we lock it closed.
Hold that there.
And now we have a free PVC connector for our drain tile.
You just heard a car.
We collect all kinds of PVC. If you have PVC and you don't want it, we'll take it. Or if you want to bring it to Highland Hill Farm, we'll trade it for some trees or something. But we're located on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA, and we specialize in growing arborvitaes, pines, and spruces. And we do deliver and plant in most New Jersey and Pennsylvania locations. A lot of PVC parts in my barn, but it seems like I never have the PVC part that I need. As many PVC parts that I collect, I seem to never have that one piece that I always am looking for. So you can help me by bringing me your scrap PVC that you don't need at Highland Hill Farm. And if you need a piece of PVC and we have it, you're welcome to come get a piece. It's not a problem. We've got plenty, and we'll help you. Just give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is Bill, the PVC collector at Highland Hill.
Some people say that this is a fetish. It's not. It's a collection. And when I need it, I have it. And if you need a piece of PVC that I might have, I'd be glad to trade and barter with what I have for what you have that you don't need. I have more PVC parts than I'll ever use. I realize that. And when I die, I realize my kids will probably just have a dumpster pull up to the barn and start throwing everything out. But that's okay. That's up to them. In the meantime, I'll keep collecting PVC. Yes, it's an easy thing to collect because most people don't want to collect it. They want to throw it out. So it's a readily findable item that you can put into your hoarding collections. Don't let PVC get away. Give me a call if you see PVC. Give me a call at Highland Hill Farm. This is Bill. My telephone number is 215-651-8329. And yes, occasionally we do use some PVC here on the farm. Most people don't think I can use all this PVC.
And if you notice here, we have all different kinds of parts that we've used here. And sometimes, like in this piece right here, we have this Y going up, but it's not the right angle. Luckily, we have a piece of conduit that someone brought us that'll work just right into that area to make sure that it has just the right angle. We have collected literally thousands and thousands of PVC pipes and parts and fittings, and we do use them. So don't throw out your PVC. We want it here at Highland Hill Farm. So call us at 215-651-8329. And also, if you're a hunter, we have a hunter access program. And this fence here was built by our hunters. They brought us fence posts. This particular farm is 34 acres and it's completely fenced to keep the deer out. But we have other farms where the deer are abundant and you can come hunt. We have a program where you bring us something that we need on the farm and you can hunt for the day. We have deer, rabbits, turkey, dove, fox, groundhog, and all kinds of small game for you to hunt. So give us a call here at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. Again, our phone number is 215-651-8329. And we specialize in these large arborvitaes that you see here. These are the green giant arborvitaes. They grow upwards to 3 feet a year, and they're deer resistant. Not deer proof, but deer resistant. So call us for your screening and tree needs at Highland Hill Farm. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. If you need help with plant selections, call us at Highland Hill Farm. We'd be glad to offer assistance.